benefits of papaya and oats? Recently, we made a video about the benefits of papaya for the skin and health, and we also talked about oats on the channel. Have you watched the videos? Have you ever imagined a natural smoothie that could help you lose weight and regulate your cholesterol and triglyceride levels? That's the papaya and oats smoothie. Both papaya and oats are rich in nutrients and natural medicines to fight diabetes, reduce cholesterol, and also help with weight loss. Together, they can prevent many diseases. Let's see a quick list of the benefits of these ingredients. Papaya is digestive, diuretic, and laxative. This fruit has papain, a useful enzyme for anyone who has trouble digesting foods. Besides, it is also rich in vitamins and minerals, containing high doses of vitamin A, provitamin, vitamin C, and important B-complex vitamins. Oats are rich in fiber and give a sensation of satiety. When in contact with liquids, the fibers become a gel that makes fecal matter bigger and more viscous. Oh, did you know that oats have beta-glucan? The substance is important to reduce the fat in blood and is related to the absorption of bile acids. So consuming oats daily reduces the formation of fat plaques that may cause heart diseases. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know that we are contributing to you and your health. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up to help the channel. To make this smoothie, you will need 1/2 cup ripe papaya diced, 1 cup plain yogurt. If you want to lose weight, opt for a non-fat version. 2 tablespoons oats, bran or rolled as you prefer. Put all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Drink immediately to guarantee that the nutrients will be completely absorbed. You can drink this smoothie every day in the morning as a substitute for your breakfast. If you drink this smoothie for 30 days in a row, you will notice an improvement in your health and also in your weight loss. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.